Now, today we're talking about responsible AI in the enterprise. And so there's a specific focus that I will share just around how do we make responsible AI practical or put it into practice in the business context. So having responsible AI integrated into the work, I believe it's critical to enable us to see innovation and get all of the promise that generative and AI broadly is intended to provide. There are more companies that are investing in AI. We're seeing the increase in investment dollars in startups and companies that are using AI. Almost everyone is putting AI in every element of their marketing today because they know that will drive attention and focus. And that's because there is an expectation of the promise that AI is going to make things better at some level. It's going to help us improve the way in which we're engaging with customers. It's going to augment our human capability. It's going to provide us new ways in which we can innovate, and we're seeing that in medicine and in other areas. It helps us in even being more productive as human beings in the daily tasks that we're doing every day. And so all of this is the expected benefit with AI and with generative AI.